Hello, little artist! Welcome back to ANHAD Kids Art. I'm so happy you're here today because we're drawing and coloring someone super special. Can you guess who it is? He's yellow, he's electric, and he's super cute. Yes, it's Pikachu. Pikachu is one of the most famous Pokémon in the world. Pointy ears with black tips. Pikachu is kind, brave, and always ready to help his friends. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Remember, every great artist starts with a single line. I'll guide you step by step. Take your time, pause the video if you need to. This is your masterpiece. Now the fun part. Art has no rules, just joy. As we color, think about what makes you special. Maybe you're great at drawing. Maybe you tell amazing stories. Or maybe you always make people smile. You are unique, just like every Pikachu is a little different. Drawing and coloring is not just fun, it's a superpower. Every time you create, you grow your imagination, your focus, and your heart. Keep practicing, keep dreaming, and never be afraid to make mistakes. Because every mistake is a step to something beautiful. Wow, look at your Pikachu. Amazing work! I'm so proud of you! Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ANHAD Kids Art, and share your drawing with someone you love. Until next time, keep drawing, keep smiling, and always believe in your art. Bye-bye, little artists!